Welcome. Elon Musk recently revealed astonishing claims about a mysterious phenomenon unfolding in Antarctica's icy depths. According to Musk, a massive, enigmatic structure has been detected moving across the frozen landscape, baffling onlookers with its unprecedented size. This behemoth, stretching across miles of ice, has sparked worldwide intrigue as people wonder what could possibly cause such a dramatic occurrence. Some speculate it might be an ultra-secret government experiment involving advanced technology, while others imagine an extraterrestrial connection. While Musk is known for his interplanetary ambitions, especially with Mars, his attention has been drawn closer to home. Antarctica, Earth's southernmost continent, is a land of mysteries that rival even the science fiction landscapes Musk hopes to explore. Together with a team of scientists, Musk is uncovering new secrets in Antarctica's frozen expanse, including this colossal, moving object. Initially mistaken for a massive iceberg, this discovery soon took an unexpected turn. When pieces of ice began to melt away, a structure with unusual features started to appear, as though revealing a treasure hidden within. This isn't the first time Antarctica has surprised scientists. Just last year, researchers found a hidden ecosystem thriving beneath the icy surface, home to microorganisms able to survive in one of Earth's most extreme environments. This discovery hints at the resilience of life, no matter how harsh the conditions, and underscores the possibility of further incredible finds. Beneath Antarctica's vast ice sheets lies the Gamburtsev mountain range, named after Russian scientist Grigory Gamburtsev. This mountain range, hidden for millions of years, stretches 2,400 kilometers with peaks reaching 3,000 meters high, rivaling some of Earth's largest peaks. These mountains have never been seen directly, as radar and gravitational readings are the only ways scientists have been able to study them since their discovery in 1958. Antarctica is also home to a desert, a unique phenomenon in a land primarily defined by ice. Covering only 0.2% of the continent, this desert contains massive sand dunes that can reach up to 70 meters in height. The desert's dunes shift at a rate of 1.5 meters annually, hinting at a slow but perceptible transformation driven by climate change. This movement reveals the subtle yet constant effects of warming temperatures on even the most frigid regions of Earth. Beneath Antarctica's surface, scientists also found a hidden river extending over 3,300 kilometers, longer than the Thames in England. Using radar equipment, researchers initially thought they had discovered multiple rivers, but realized they had actually identified a single, sprawling river. This secret waterway raises concerns about potential impacts of climate change, especially with rising sea levels, as Antarctica's frozen layers reveal more surprises. Another shocking discovery is the Thwaites Glacier, ominously known as the Doomsday Glacier. Scientists believe this glacier could potentially accelerate global ice melt, leading to significant rises in sea levels. Thwaites is connected to the ocean by a thin thread, making it extremely vulnerable to breaking away. If it were to fully detach, it could trigger a chain reaction of ice loss across the continent, causing worldwide flooding and dramatic shifts in coastal landscapes. Deep within the Antarctic ice, scientists recently found a colossal, mysterious hole the size of Ireland. This vast expanse of emptiness, stretching across 78 square kilometers, appeared in 2017 and has puzzled researchers ever since. Some theorize that marine creatures, struggling for oxygen in these frigid waters, might have played a role in creating this mysterious opening, though the true cause remains unclear. Returning to Musk's discovery, the object he spotted is not just any iceberg. It has distinct characteristics, including skid marks and grooves that differentiate it from other ice masses. With its pitch-black color, the object defies typical ice formations and suggests something far more unusual. Theories about secret military experiments began to emerge, with some speculating that this object could be a covert government project testing cutting-edge technology in one of the world's most isolated regions. However, the Antarctic Treaty of 1961 prohibits military activities on the continent, restricting it solely to scientific research. Despite this, theories persist as scientists continue their investigation with a blend of curiosity and determination. Amid these investigations, scientists made an unexpected discovery with cosmic implications, a meteorite that had journeyed through space for thousands of years before landing in Antarctica. Meteorites, fragments from distant asteroids, carry clues about the universe's history within their mineral compositions. Collisions between asteroids are common in our solar system, and some of these cosmic travelers inevitably make their way to Earth. About every 500,000 years, Earth encounters an asteroid roughly 1 kilometer in diameter, while the massive 5-kilometer varieties strike every 20 million years. In 2022, researchers found an ancient DNA sample beneath Antarctica's Scotia Sea, dating back an astonishing 1 million years. This sample came from diatoms, a type of phytoplankton, and represented the oldest marine DNA ever extracted from seafloor sediment. This discovery suggests a time when Antarctica was home to thriving life forms rather than the icy wasteland it is today. The ancient DNA provides a window into Antarctica's distant past, when phytoplankton likely filled its waters with energy and life. The revelation of such an ecosystem challenges previous assumptions about the continent's history, revealing a landscape that might have once hosted diverse organisms. Adding to this historical narrative, researchers recently found fossils of large marine creatures, dinosaurs, and bird-like beings on James Ross Island, indicating that ancient life once roamed Antarctica's lands and waters. Among these fossils were four-winged remnants of an extinct beetle species, preserved for millions of years. This discovery sheds light on the biodiversity of prehistoric Antarctica and reveals that this icy continent was once a lush environment that hosted a variety of creatures. One of the most surprising discoveries came with the unearthing of a 50-million-year-old preserved egg case containing fossilized sperm cells from an ancient worm species. This finding points to a time when Antarctica was a tropical paradise, rich with life. The egg case offers evidence of an ancient ecosystem that would have included large trees, tropical plants, and diverse fauna. While today it's a frozen desert, Antarctica once housed complex and vibrant ecosystems. These revelations are reshaping scientists' understanding of the continent's history and evolutionary timeline. The Ross Sea is home to an enormous breeding colony of icefish with 60 million nests, evidence that life has thrived in Antarctica despite extreme conditions. Scientists captured this bustling community in 2021 through advanced underwater camera systems, showcasing an ecosystem in one of the planet's most inhospitable places. In the same year, geologists drilling through Antarctic ice discovered another surprise: sponges and other resilient organisms living beneath the frozen layers. These discoveries underscore life's adaptability, surviving and evolving even under harsh conditions. Perhaps one of the most remarkable findings came from radar readings that suggested a hidden mountain range beneath Antarctica's ice. This range, estimated to be about 1,200 kilometers wide and 3,000 meters high, is an extraordinary feature that has only been detected through gravitational data. Physical access to the mountains is limited, but scientists have used satellite data from the European Space Agency to simulate what these mountains might look like if the ice were removed. The findings suggest that this range dates back millions of years when Antarctica was part of the supercontinent Gondwana, linking Antarctica's icy present with a once lush prehistoric past. Antarctica's transformation from tropical rainforest to icy desert may have been triggered by global climate shifts. Around 34 million years ago, a drastic temperature drop led to the continent's freezing over, reshaping it into the harsh landscape we know today. Another theory proposes that changes in atmospheric carbon dioxide set off a cooling trend, resulting in vast ice sheets covering the land. According to this view, the balance between Earth's atmospheric conditions and cosmic forces played a significant role in transforming Antarctica's environment. Ocean circulation patterns also contribute to understanding Antarctica's past. The deepening of the Drake Passage about 35 million years ago altered the flow of ocean currents, creating the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, a barrier that isolated Antarctica from warmer waters. This current contributed to the cooling that ultimately froze the continent. These theories provide insights into the complex climate dynamics that shaped Antarctica's transformation over millions of years. With each discovery, scientists uncover more about Antarctica's history, from its lush past to its icy present. The question of what caused such drastic changes remains open, but the journey to answer it drives ongoing exploration and fuels imaginations worldwide. As researchers continue to investigate Antarctica's frozen secrets, the frozen landscape gradually reveals new insights into Earth's past. Elon Musk's fascination with the continent reflects a growing curiosity about what remains hidden beneath the ice. As exploration advances, Antarctica stands as a reminder of our planet's mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. The transformation of Antarctica from a lush, temperate landscape to an icy, barren expanse is one of Earth's most compelling climate stories. Scientists have pieced together a fascinating narrative that weaves together ocean currents, atmospheric changes, and geological processes. The Drake Passage deepening, which created a unique oceanic current that prevented warmer waters from reaching the Antarctic coast, is one hypothesis. This alteration likely shifted the continent's climate by redirecting warm currents away and isolating it in a frigid refrigerator of sorts. Another theory focuses on geological changes. Increased rainfall in Antarctica led to processes like silicate weathering, where carbon dioxide, CO2, is absorbed as it reacts with silicate minerals. This reaction caused a net removal of CO2 from the atmosphere, cooling the planet further and contributing to Antarctic glaciation. These ideas, initially separate, are now seen as complementary, offering a holistic view of the forces shaping Antarctica into its current state. However, this icy stability is being tested today. Recent temperature surges, including simultaneous record heat waves in the Arctic and Antarctic in late 2022, signal alarming warming trends. For Antarctica, an 8.6 degrees Fahrenheit, about 4.8 degrees Celsius, increase brought temperatures to unprecedented levels. This warming is concerning not only for melting ice caps, which threaten global sea levels, but also for its role in accelerating climate change by disrupting global weather patterns. The condition of the ozone layer adds to the gravity of the situation. In 2022, scientists observed a significant depletion over Antarctica, creating a hole larger than the United States. With the ozone layer weakened, harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays have greater access to Earth's surface, which could intensify warming and contribute to environmental stress on the Antarctic ice sheets and glaciers. The future is uncertain. As ice shelves destabilize and massive icebergs, such as the A-76, break free, concerns over rising sea levels and their impact on global coastlines are mounting. Scientists continue to monitor these dynamics, with growing evidence that Antarctica's story is not yet fully written. The complex interplay of warming temperatures, atmospheric changes, and oceanic shifts highlights the fragile balance of our planet's climate. The changes in Antarctica underscore the interconnected nature of Earth's systems and emphasize the need for global efforts to understand and mitigate these shifts.